couple of leadoff guys at the top of these orders. Think about that.
Cada vez que te he visto llegar.
Suarez. Ohtani did not play in the finale against Czechia. He is 5 for 9 with a couple of homers, including a grand slam against Chinese Tigers. Shinobu Yamamoto. He climbs in to lead off the Venezuelan second. And Tovar with a charge into one to center. And this is off the base of the wall. Tovar stays hot. That's why he's in the lineup. His numbers against Yamamoto, and he goes after the first one he sees. Man in scoring position here in the second for Gleyber Torres, the All-Star with the Tigers. Hard to left field. Yoshida turns around. Watches it go off the top of the fence. That'll score a run. Sato lines one fair down the right field line. Genda will come around and score all the way into the corner for Acuna. Ohtani will stop at third base. An RBI double for Teruaki Sato. And this game is tied at 2 in the third.
Infield's in for Venezuela. They got to cut off as many runs as possible.
It's Morishita first at bat after he came in for the injured Seiya Suzuki playing in center field.
Stay with me. 真夜中のドアを叩き帰らないでと泣いたあの季節が今目の前 Stay with me.
What a thankless job as umpire. No one likes you ever.
Acuna's cousin Garcia.
Cada vez que te he visto llegar, al ver que no te ibas a quedar.
To level. Tovar sends it towards the gap, right center field. That's going to get down for a base hit. Second hit of the night for Venezuela. There goes the runner. 1-1 pitch, hit and run. And on his way towards third is Tovar. Yoshida will get to it. And it's first and third with nobody out. Action on the base pass for Venezuela, as you might. Back-to-back singles from Tovar and Torres. And now it's Abreu. Base hit ties the game.
Cada vez que te he visto llegar, al ver que no te ibas a quedar.
Their number 5 hitter who's got a pair of hits tonight, and Ezequiel Tovar. Tovar's got a 3-hit night working. He's looking for 2. He's getting a big
Spread out, trying to keep that run scoring.
And now he got Tovar will come around and make it 8-5. Tovar on the move to the 8, trying to stay alive. Down 3. The 2-1 pitch. Ohtani skies